Figure it out.
Figure out means find the answer to a problem.
Monster Zero.
They tried to launch an emergency beacon, but we cut them off in time.
They'll figure it out.
Show me his territorial routes. When an animal leaves its hunting ground, it's usually because it's threatened by something. He's looking for something out there. It could be the orca. Antarctica. Good then. I mean, let's go. Let's go find him. What's in Antarctica?
Expose us all.
These creatures communicate like whales, okay? They can hear sonar for thousands of miles, so I could use the stadium to amplify a signal that might stop these attacks.
And then what?
And then I'll figure out what the hell Monster Zero really is and try to stop it.
They'll figure it out. I'll figure out what the hell the Monster Zero really is and try to stop it.